Diabetes has become known as a silent killer in more recent years. The disease is recognized through a person's inability to process sugar in a normal manner. The type 1 form of the disease is also known as juvenile diabetes or insulin-dependent diabetes. As daily habits become less healthy, type 2 is becoming more prevalent. It used to affect mainly older adults, but even young children are being diagnosed. Some signs of diabetes are frequent urination, excessive thirst and hunger, headaches and blurry vision. Sometimes the disease may lead to a coma. These are not all of the symptoms, but if they come on suddenly, it is time to pay a visit to the doctor. Other risk factors include obesity and pregnancy. For women that contract the disease during pregnancy, it usually disappears after giving birth. It does, however, mean that they may be at a higher risk for getting the disease later on. The invention of insulin and its subsequent technology has led some to believe that it is a cure for diabetes. Unfortunately, this is not the case. There has been no known specific cause for type 1 diabetes. It is thought to be a genetic disorder, but much is still undiscovered. For type 1 diabetics, they must take insulin in the form of an injection. Technology has made it so the doses may be administered through a pump designed to deliver set doses. Though type 2 diabetics may also need insulin, it has been found that a change in the way one eats and exercises can control whether it is needed. Just losing a few pounds can make quite a difference. The diabetic diet is not as restrictive as one may believe. To keep sugar levels even, one needs to eat often. Sweets are not forbidden, but should be eaten on a limited basis. Fats, alcohol, and simple carbohydrates should also be limited. Eating foods made from whole grain is highly recommended. Planning meals prevents that sudden drop or rise in glucose level. Incorporating daily exercise is another way in which one can lower their risk for this deadly disease. Some of these things are recommended for everyone. With all that is known about the disease and all the help available, diabetes need not put a damper on a fun-filled life. Learn more at n-diabetes.com.